better to run away.
Some people are not even worried about themselves.
It's just the children.
My children.
If my children no go carry spiritual problem for school, then and then go come they cause problem
You
for
know
the
that
whole
I
school.
for the home school.
But you say this life, as human who will grow up, there's a point in time you are very worried about yourself, how you go take look good, how you go take buy so thing. Then at a point, you're just worried about your
children,
your children,
your future,
you understand?
Na so life be. You know, say na so life be because na faces.
I think this thing, basically, the way I look at now, something we get to do with your mind. You know, some people mind we carry am.
True.
Because you get some people who like risk for this life.
And some people are careless. They don't even want send.
They no send.
They no send.
They like the one. They even say some people they boast with problem.
Now.
Say my wife has spiritual problem. So
guy, forget if it's a problem you fit stand. My wife after they tell me my wife na bang. My wife na you bang.
What? See, that's I don't delete it for like 20 years now.
See why again men will be say if they come they encourage you with their problem then they take encourage you. See what cool that drink. What see after they talk to my wife marry Chris. I see we see they marry. Why want to see the woman? So only you can't go out.
See. You see this mark here? She just took me. She took me. And you know,
we just... the two of us go church.
We go church.
Come on.
I mean, that can marry one for me. But really,
you know, if you tell me what happen for this country.
Wait.
I beg.
Especially for Africa.
People there where we say they like, see I go say they like, then just believe say na part of life. For you to get problem. Make problem your fool. They believe say na part of life. If you know they go they worry.
Say why problem no dey?
No challenges. They say there should be challenges for one to move forward. There should be some obstacles.
Say winch must press you. Say you not be just sleep like that straight 1 week, at least three days in a week, winch must press you.
Those kind of people now go to find house with their hands. Say after this couple they okay, winch the press is for now. They say no, say
But really, you know, say this spiritual thing. Now some people say if strong love dey in between, they talk say they work. Say most people, okay, you fall in love seriously, then you no care, you no send, you go try to look for solution for waiting they happen. But let's come, maybe we can't look at like this. If now say now you will be the guy, you will be the person we won't marry. Now you say can't get a typical problem. What you go do? What you feel say people go do? You go leave the babe, make she go sort, make she they go when you sort out yourself, or you go there selfish. Come keep the babe.
If I don't leave her for the woman,
you don't confuse us. Have you? Because you know the one that you get problem. It's just be like say. You know if you marry girl we get one eye. But you will get one eye, you don't find girl where you go marry. Now life be like you are very wicked boy. So even me will be your guy, you follow set me up like this. You don't tell me that.
No wait.
You don't see the thing through us on balance.
The conversation not the sweet. You want come to brain now. And everything.
But wait, now you go our guest. Now you go first to share more light on that
now,
one. Now you get it.
No, what if now you did is the other, the other shoes? What you go do?
You know, say now bring it up. You know, go down deliberate.
Okay.
Like set to say if na me,
so let me could bring you as our guest. We not be.
I mean. Maybe this is your opinion. When we come back, maybe they think of the clue. When we come back, we go hear wetin the gas talk on top. I'm not going anywhere. Beg, I see Bobo say you dey watch.
I go find my way.
I go pick crazy.
I no go do anything. My own be say I don't love am be that.
If I fall in love, find out say my strong partner get spiritual problem. If I love the guy, first of all, I will put it in prayer.
So no be small question, no. Just find my way and go to somewhere else, or I should go or to a church that will make the deliverance.
I go pick race because once you know earlier, it's better than you stay inside and die inside.
You go dey go am because the person wey I love no be the person wey get this thing go. If not the person wey get the spiritual something, I go handle am now with prayer.
It won't be by force, by fire.
It's not to go to church,
to fight the battle.
Then if I pray, if the guy too love me, then if the guy love me, the two of us go pray the prayer. Then I hope with God all things are possible.
Say I fall in love with someone. So at the end of it, I come see say the family gets one kind expensive spiritual belief. Well, you know say love na love. Oh. The person who I love, I don't love him. So for me now, it's left for me now to follow up with the guy to know whether I go fit bring them out from that their expensive belief or whatever. So for me, I go try convince my own person first of all before I go come face the family. Because once he don't follow me, I know say with the two of us power, we go convince the family come out.
Hey, no, Miss Martin, you know, say that woman vet talk say man, I to take off.
I know some days women are very blunt like that.
No, but you know say women are then the first if something like this happen, and then the first run. Guys go stay one fine solution.
No, but some women strong.
That's the problem. That's why I tell guys that you date according to career. When you date a lady that is an athlete, any problem that she will not take off. You understand? Because she's used to run.
So which one you want date where go stay?
Date Taylor. No, they don't sit down. They don't sit down, so then they move. You understand? So it depends on the career.
Okay, we date person like mechanic.
Your marriage go strong. You know, say their hands strong, the whole things. Your marriage will be strong, will be solid. So according to career.
You can't date professor, uncle.
That are grammar now.
The problem there.
Problem they not go hear anything. Speak many grammar here, there. But the bottom line be say, sincerely, as for me, let me just put myself in that shoes now.
As for Shakara.
As for the guys with the bar today, the three of us. If
listen. It is
a personality.
Yes, it's a personality.
If not you,
we get our own opinion. Not join us.
Join us.
Yeah, wait, my rush my opinion so that I will give an own opinion. So that I know say time no day. If not me, I know say my family get this problem, and I love this girl. I go just begin show her love more so that make she pity me, love me the whole idea. Since what I know they do before, I go they do am. Buy her things, understand? If you come useless, your family get that kind of thing. Serious or banjo, any spiritual thing, and they come back around 12. You know, if you drop money for house, marriage don't break. So be nice.
May I talk my own? Simple. My own is simple. You see what I go do? As I know, and the girl, as you don't know, I go leave my family, follow the girl. Now their problem, now not be my problem.
But your family go see they attached to you. Your family go see
your family they attached to you.
No. Then they attach. Then they detach.
Detached family. That means you no go fall back to family.
Yes.
Nothing. When you want to do any celebration, naming ceremony, nothing. One thing.
Just you and your wife.
Let me say your obituary no go sweet because. You know, so suppose they plan their this thing. So, but I want me my obituary gather. I want me to gather.
Almost east.
Now, before person die, they call their friend. Now, you get any good musician? Give my family the number. So that.
But for me, really, I go look at them like this. I feel say the best thing. No. I don't talk. I they look say the best thing.
Okay, they don't. They look.
The best thing to do for me, if na me dey the shoes, I go just make sure say I double up myself. You know. Dey more prayerful. I go dey more prayerful. I go hold myself well.
You get Ogbaji, you get problem. Which of them?
Now they talk now. I go make sure say na me go dey scatter everywhere.
That you get the problem.
Now my family get the problem.
Family get the problem.
But me self, I dey the family.
You dey the
so
family.
I go make sure say I dey shield myself so that the thing no go to affect me self.
You don't affect you
already. Wait for me say now you talk better thing pass us.
No.
You don't affect. You
but na the truth.
Because the way you be like who get something.
For where?
Because you take raise your finger.
No.
See. You don't dey manifest.
Arapignon about.
You don't dey manifest.
You face national TV, they speak your language.
Asuma Arapignon
When we
about.
do close, this boy go begin dey.
Arapignon about. So,
See,
on a bien yana. See,
And see cats.
Dem mem.
See, this boy don't get
What does spoil?
Hey,
What does spoil?
Shakara.
Hey, producer. Yeah, this one where you give me so well. I like am because these days, I love you now. Be like say they say pop off.
I love you, no day anywhere again. I love you. I love you. I tell you, say, I love you be like ATM card.
Hey,
You need the ATM machine to make the I love you work.
hey, yeah.
Because normally when you tell girl say I love you, she go happy. If you show girl ATM card, she go happy say money won't come. But where the manifestation?
So I love you these days now.
So the real love na the ATM.
That be the real love. But there's something that will make it work. That is you prophesying. Because I love the way they say so.
This guy dey think.
He had the work.
You get to write book.
He had the work. He
No
had the
matter
work.
what
He
I
had
do.
the work.
No, that's
He
the
had
fact.
work.
Because you see flower where you see so. You know if you see small flower, make you admire. You don't know say one flower did there. But when they begin water the flower, water the flower, water the flower. You can see it. You can say, oh, see this fine flower. So actually, there is a flower. Nobody said there is no love. There is love. But love needs something to
light.
Make
So,
it
no blame the guests. You don't have to
See
blame
why?
them.
From your end, what do you go do? This topic of today.
Sincerely, wetin I go do honestly, I no go run. I go stand by the girl, you know, to see how we fit help the situation. Because the truth is, for this life, you don't know whether na the girl go turn out to be help for you for the future. So you get to look for how to resolve the matter so that you know, even if una not married, but at least you help her.
True. Abeg, Chakara, now your turn now. But before you do, just do like this. Raise your hand up first.
What did I do?
See why? Stretch your hand, please. Thank you. See why I want us to pray into this boy's life. To cast out plenty demons. Some spiritual things there.
What is I get?
Some spiritual, all those guests when don't call me, when not
You
cry.
don't need to tell me,
Yes.
let's go.
Now some will say end the show today. We want to cast out demons.
Back to sender.
Out.
Amen.
Get the koto.
Amen.
Out.